Welcome to another 90-second guitar lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be talking about two chords that are better than the proper version. The first one is A, and what we're going to play is an A sus chord, which is basically, here's our A major chord. But if we take off the pinky finger, the second fret of the second string, and have the open second string, we make this an A sus chord. An A sus2 chord, which I think sounds way better than the major chord. And you can use it for the major chord and sometimes for the minor chord as well. You let me know in the comments if that sounds better than an A chord. What do you reckon? A or A sus? The next one we're going to look at is D sus. So here's our D chord, or could be our D minor chord. And all we need to do is take off any note on the first string. We're going to have an open second string, which is a D sus chord. So let me know in the comments, does D sus sound better? Or does D major sound better? Hope that helps.